I know that he knows that I love him. And I wish I could have been a better daughter for him. Because I really, really love him.
Most memorable line na sinasabi niya sa akin yung sasabihin niya, love mo tatay? And then I would reply, opo. Next year, I will be 4th year and then I'll be graduating. So, when I graduate, I hope Pop is proud of me. So, Pop, thanks for everything. We're very proud of all of what you did. We're proud of when you took care of us with Mom and my brothers and sisters.
Goodbye, my friend, goodbye. Now it's time to go on my way.
And I'd like to thank everyone who's been there all this time.
Some other time
during his illness. And he chose to be brave about it. That's why it always seemed that it was going to get better. Although the AML subtype that he had was really the worst. And just the 7 months that his life was extended, I think that is it. That is all there is to it. And I'm really glad for the time given by God to us to share him in our lives. Because no matter whatever he did, whether it was good or bad in our family, it always taught us a lesson and we learned from it. I'd like to thank you all once again for all your support.
Goodbye, my friend, goodbye. Now it's time for me to go on my way. And we'll find some other time that would bring us back together again. Thanks for the laughter and the joys that we had, but now it makes me cry.
Dear Francis, ngayong araw na ito ang pang 8,876th episode ng Itbulaga sa telebisyon. Ito na rin siguro ang pinakamalungkot. Ang lagi nating dala.
Mula Batanes hanggang Holo, saan naman ay halina tayo. Isang libo at isang luha.
Pero ngayon, luluha ang Itbulaga. Hindi lang dahil sa pagkawala mo, kundi para sa aming maiiwan mo. Dahil wala na kaming makikita na isa pang Francis Magalona.
Humanda lahat sa dami ng pawala di magpapawat. Tatlong bituin at isang araw, sa Luzon, sa Visayas, sa Mindanao, isa lang sinisigaw.
Handa na ba kayo mga party people? Are you ready? Welcome to Itbulaga.
marami pa tayong gagawin, Francis. Para sa programa, sa mga Filipino na patuloy mong ipinagmamalaki.
At sa gitna po ng krisis at kaguluhan na nangyari sa ating bansa, magsilbi po sana itong isang inspirasyon at liwanag.
Para sa lahat na tinawag mong Dabarkads.
And somehow, man, while others laugh,
Salamat, Francis, sa iyong musika.
better have.
Mga musikang nagpaalala sa ating lahat na may kaleidoscope world,
Big black purse.
na kapayapaan ang gusto mo.
Some have bread,
At tayo'y mga Filipino.
some are wasted, some are rich because of fate.
Kaya kung hindi mo rin kaya, kamay na kamay, siguraduhin mo, mas mahusay sa Ethiopia at matino.
Binigyan mo ng lalim ang rap. Binigyan mo ito ng kahulugan. Salamat, Francis, sa iyong galing at talento na nagbigay kulay sa Itbulaga. Mula sa paglikha ng mga kanta para sa segment nito hanggang sa lahat ng kalokohan na ginawa mo sa programa.
Kasi baka hinahanap na tayo ni Senyora Beatriz, marami namang iuutos sa akin yun.
Huwag mo na akong iwan.
Charles!
Huwag mo na akong iwan. Sa Itbulaga mo lang ipinakita ang Francis na katulad niyan. Salamat, Francis, sa pagbubukas mo ng pintuan. Para tanggapin ang Itbulaga at maging bahagi ng buhay mo.